warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today? I hope all of you in a good condition. And how is the fast? Hopefully it will be run smoothly till the end. Amen. So guys, today I will bring you my experience of visiting Bali when I was in senior high school to find out what facilities that I got from the tour guide and to find out what is the tourism destination in Bali. Here we go! This is a study tour when I was in grade 2 senior high school. We got to Bali by bus. If I mention the brand, we used 3 buses from Agam Tunggal Jaya. Here we have been guided by a tour guide who has been determined by the school. We also get a member access card for each bus and there are snacks when we enter the bus. But I don't have a photo of it, so I just put it in a magazine. When crossing from Java, Banyuwangi, to Bali, Ketapang Gilimanuk, we used a large ship, the Roro ferry. Inside the ship is very complete. There is canteen and also a place to watch cinemas. Arriving in Bali, our bus is entered by a tour guide who tells us about Bali and the location of our destination from the first time we enter Bali until we finally return to Java. They are usually called Pli. Pli is a nickname from Bali. We stay at the Bali Mega Hotel. The facilities provided there are very good and comfortable. To eat, we eat together like this instead of being delivered to the room because indeed we are a group of high school students and maybe indeed the facilities are at a specific price. The atmosphere there is also very steady. Everything is neatly arranged. Okay, go to a tourist destination. There are actually a lot of places that we visit for 3 days in Bali, but here I will only list a few. First, GWK or Garuda Wisnu Kencana. The story of Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue was built a Balinese born architect named I Nyoman Nuarta. I Nyoman Nuarta wanted to make an area that was really populated at that time as a tourist spot that was as busy as Bali Beach. So, a magnificent statue of GWK and a statue of Dewa Wisnu was made. The statue of Lord Vishnu is good for those who are Hindu. With this care statue, it is hoped that the quiet area will be able to attract the attention of both local and international tourists. Bali is very thick and access to culture and religious ritual. The best Indonesian artwork has been recognized by the eyes of the world and is used a benchmark in first-class cultural art. This GWK statue is a symbol of the eagle, which means that Indonesia is strong and endures like the eagle and the symbols of Pancasila. Because of his love for I Nyoman with Indonesia, he added another statue, namely is Dewa Wisnu. The GWK statue has been named the third tallest statue in the world. This GWK has stood majestically for 28 years. For its admission price is still standard and can change at any time. Ticket price are valid for 1 full day for all GWK areas. GWK area opening hours are 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. But inside there are many shows. In the GWK area, views of the ocean and enjoying the evening sunset will attract many eyes. In the GWK area, there is a building called the Bali GWK Lotus Pond, which is very cool with shady green trees. You can make this Lotus Pond area a sport facility, and one more thing that is interesting about GWK is the GWK theater, which is often used for dance or music performance on certain nights. When I was walking around in GWK, I found this place and I entered without thinking and prayed instead and the man wearing the white shirt put rice on my forehead. After I left the place, my religious teacher scolded me. "What are you doing, Siska? It's for Hindus, you are Muslim." I was immediately shocked and I said, "I really don't know, sir, I'm so sorry." And I left the place for some for some photos. Oh my god. Okay, next. Panglipuran Village. Next is Panglipuran Village. In Panglipuran, Bali Village, the only real traditional Bali house that can still be found today. It's very well organized and maintained in the mind of modernization, the fast pace of science and technology. The people of Panglipuran Bali Village are still able to maintain the cultural heritage order of their ancestors. Their houses are made exactly the same of each other, with the same materials such as walls or soil support and bamboo roof. The bamboo here thrives and is preserved for the purpose of building house for funerals. Panglipuran Village has received various awards and has been named the cleanest village in the world. Not found a piece of trash carried there. The uniqueness that makes Panglipuran famous in the international world is the design of house building, especially the angkul of cat, as well as the roof of house and walls made up of bamboo, which are designed almost similarly from one house to another. This is one of the custom and culture of the Balinese people that are still preserved by the local population today. The bamboo forest, which is managed and preserved, in one of the other objects beside the design of the houses in Panglipuran Village. Entrance ticket price also offer between adults and children, and also between foreigners and local residents. Residents in this Panglipuran village also take advantage of the large number of tourist visitors to sell in their respective homes, such as snack, clothes, shoes, and other Bali souvenirs. Okay, next is Pantai Pandawa. This is a trip to Pandawa Beach. Pandawa Beach is one of the tourist areas in the southern Kuta area, Badung Regency, Bali. This beach is located behind the hills and is often referred to as street beach. Around this beach, there are two very large cliffs, which on one side carve 5 Pandawa and Kunti statue. Apart from tourism and water sport purpose, this beach is also used for seaweed cultivation because of the sloping contours of the beach and the waves that do not reach in the shoreline. Quite a few tourists do paragliding from Bukit Timbis to Pandawa Beach. And this cultural area is also often used as shooting location for TV soap operas. The entrance ticket price is different for local tourists and foreign tourists. There we will find beautiful scenery when the sun rises and sets. Lots of water sports for foreigners such as jet skiing, boats, and surfing, snorkeling, etc. There are also many local residents who sell night nets made of seashells and beach clothes. There is also a place that serves delicious food and drinks on the beach. And next is Tari Kecak. The most popular traditional dance in Bali, that is in Ceman by Teresa, is the Kecak dance. This traditional dance providing a very special treat and entertainment both from dance movement, musical component, spiritual impression, story content, and interactive performance, with the audience making it very demanded by all groups of tourists, both foreign and domestic. Indeed, the traditional Balinese dance treat that is again hits and popular on the island of Bali is the Kecak dance, including the Barong dance in Batu Bulan. The most special Kecak dance performance at this time is the Kecak dance performance is Uluwatu, which is located in the tourism area of South Bali. Here you will also be treated to a view of Indian Ocean, yes, along with a sunset dish, so that the traditional Kecak dance performance is the Uluwatu temple area is indeed spectacular. The Kecak dance is played by male dancers. They sit in a circle, surround the campfire. The male dance number in the dozens with simple movements such as raising their hands simultaneously while making a cha sound so as to produce a chord with a beautiful rhythm. Meanwhile, the main character jumps in the middle of the circle, playing the characters in the epic Ramayana. Okay, next, look, on the way we find Balinese people who will hold melasti, namely self-purification, which is carried out on the edge of the beach. For conclusion, Bali is a very beautiful place. Bali is also one of the most important tourist sector in Indonesia today. Many foreign tourists visit Bali every year, and it increases the country foreign exchange in the tourist sector. I think many foreign tourists know Bali, but they don't know that Bali is located in Indonesia, right? So, here are some of what I can say. I apologize if there are errors in the transmission of knowledge in this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.